Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Bitcoin is down. Bitcoin is down. DAVOR is down. The DAVOR is down. It is man down, man down. This is man down everywhere. Bitcoin down, DAVOR down. Everything is down right now. And my own sentiment is, man, if I could just buy some Bitcoin right now. Because I don't think it's going to stay down. The market is down. So everything is trending down. But I don't think it's going to stay down. 30 days from now, if you buy a Bitcoin now or half a Bitcoin, and it goes back up to 13, 14,000, you'll look like a genius. It's like the DAVOR. If you buy it at 50 cents now, and a month from now, if it's $10, $20, $30, $50, you'll look like a genius. But, you know, that's the idea of investing in the market. You don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. Tomorrow might bring the catastrophic failure of the markets as a whole, and Bitcoin falls down to $3,000. And the Bitcoin you paid $5,000 today for is only worth $3,000 tomorrow. Just hold it for a couple of months, and then it may be worth $10,000. You know, months after that. It's just that don't invest money that you have to have or that you have to use right now. Only invest money that you can put away and wait till it matures. I mean, it's like, you know, it's like a kid. Only invest your baby money. Your baby money. Your money that got to grow or that you want to grow up. Don't invest your grown man money. Your money that you got to spend like ASAP within a week. Don't invest your rent, your mortgage, your budget, your food money, your grocery bill money, none of that. But what they say, you can invest 10% of your income safely. You should be able to invest. You should be able to safely invest 10% of your income on a regular basis. So just if you're starting out small, just $5 a week or $5 a day. That's $35 a week. If you're starting out small, and then you can have some investments. You can have some money that's working for you, some passive investments. We're going to do another Bitcoin giveaway. $100 for Bitcoin. It's going to be a lot more Bitcoin than it was last month at the current prices now. But we're giving $100 for Bitcoin. We may split it up into two people, $50 a piece, just because it's going to be twice as much Bitcoin as it was last month. We're shooting for the 27th. If Bitcoin prices stay this low, we're shooting for the 27th. But we're going to probably buy the Bitcoin now while it's cheap. And, yeah, we just got to, we're going to be buying Bitcoin right now. I saw Bitcoin at $6,400. I'm buying Bitcoin. $6,400. I'm trying to buy Bitcoin, a whole coin. I can't buy a coin. I could buy at least a tenth of a coin though right now. That'd be a good little investment. And then if it goes up or down, I made a couple $100. If it goes down, I lost a couple $100. I'm not jumping out the window or acting suicidal or nothing because I lost a couple $100 on Bitcoin. Right now, I purchased the majority of my Bitcoin at $13,000, $14,000, and it's half that. So I have the same amount of Bitcoin, but it's only worth half that. So I'm not worried about selling. I'm just worried about holding on to it and trying to acquire as much Bitcoin as I can now. I'm not selling any Bitcoin now. I'm just buying and acquiring Bitcoin at this price. Because, like I said, after Chinese New Year, when Chinese are back in the game, then all of this is going to change. I mean, right now everything is dependent on American markets. And American markets are in a slump right now. And Bitcoin is in a slump. So when that changes, and it will change, then everybody have a different picture. You know, you can look like a genius. Like, you know, you buy 1,000 shares of DAVOR coin right now, and it goes up to $10, $20 again, you look like a genius. But don't buy it and look at it at 50 cents and know that it was $178 last month. And or don't buy Bitcoin at 6,900, knowing that it was 13,000 last month. You know, 14,000, 15, 16,000 last month. Like I said, you can look like a genius, you can look like a hero, or you can look like a zero. So it's up to you, you know. I'm going to take some risks. You're looking at the risk I'm taking right now. Took some risks. I think that before it's all over with, if it doesn't bounce, if the DAVOR coin doesn't bounce, like in the next day or two, I might wind up with like 500 coins of DAVOR coin just to hold. Because that means I could spend, to get 300 coins, I could spend 150 bucks. I'll spend another 100 bucks on DAVOR coin. You know what I'm saying? So that'll be 200 more coins. And I'll hold on to them, and I'll stop watching the site from every day. I only check on the site every blue moon. And I'll check the YouTube news and whatever. If it goes down to 20, 30 cents, even a penny, I'm still just going to hold on to it. I'm not going to sell it. Just in case it pops. If it pops, and I have 500 coins, we'll be looking at a new day. And that's what we're working for. I know people who have $100,000 in this platform. So I have less than 1,000. I have really totally invested probably about 500, 600, 700 maybe, between my loans and my coins. And 300 of it is in loans. So I have about $400 in coins. So not even, I don't have $400 in coins now, but I'm just saying I've spent about $400 in buying coins, and I have about 200 coins. So I bought them for about $2 a piece. I averaged at $2 a piece, which I didn't. I bought them for more than that, but it just averaged out to about $2 a coin. We'll see what happens. Like I say, leave a comment below. See what you think is going to happen. I like to know about your fortune tellers. I've heard about the cease and desist. We looked that up. We found the cease and desist. We've heard from Julian, though, saying they don't care about Texas. We can just mark Texas off. Texas can ban our IPs, they can block our servers or whatever, and we can just mark it to the world. Because BitConnect kept marketing to the world after they stopped dealing with the U.S. And so did USI-Tech. Matter of fact, USI-Tech is back. And BitConnect just had a function in Indonesia last week. So they haven't gone anywhere in the world. It's just in the United States and dealing with Texas and North Carolina. They don't deal with those anymore. So they stopped dealing with the United States. But, you know, it's still around. And people are still making money. Foreigners are with BitConnect. So if you have to get a VPN, don't tell them I said that. But if you have to get a VPN and get your money out of BitConnect, then so be it. Alright, you know what that means? Don't know what it means, look it up. And that way they won't know you're in the United States. You have to go on a tour and get a VPN, just like if you were on the Silk Road or something. And anonymously access your account. Change the location to Turkey or Zimbabwe. Nah, do what you got to do. Anyway, we've got about 6-7 more minutes left in that video. We're gonna cut it short today. We just wanted to tell you we are still in Hextra Coin. Hextra Coin is still around. It left for 9 days. I mean, it really worried me. It just disappeared off the face of the map for 9 days and came back with like a $3 value. So, if anything, if I was worried about anything, I mean, and I only have $100 invested in this coin, and the only reason why I invested that was I was listening to some guy. He told me to check out the numbers on it. I checked the Hextra Coin. Oh yeah, Crypto Flower. Crypto Flower's got $100,000 financed with these people right here. I'm just investing my interest. I'm just reinvesting my interest into the coin. I'm not lending anymore. I'm just reinvesting my interest in the coin. I don't know if I get up to my lending amount, the new lending amount, will I? Because the reason why I even got to that amount was because I bought the coin at cheap. I bought like 3 coins for like $5 with my interest that I had made from the lending platform. I think the rest of it has been the interest since the coin has gone back up to closer to $15-20. But let me know what you guys think about Hextracoin and about DAVOR and about Bitcoin as a whole. Leave a comment. Subscribe below. Get a chance. Like I said, we do offer a Bitcoin giveaway. We give away Bitcoin once a month. We're not like Trevon James and Angela Loves Crypto, who can give away Bitcoin or PadroX or DAVOR coin every time they get on. But maybe if I get enough of it, I'll give away some DAVOR coin or some Bitcoin every time. If I get enough, let me know what you guys think. If I get enough people who sign up and who push my numbers up to like 1,000 subscribers, I'll give away some Bitcoin, maybe every show or every video. I'll give away some Bitcoin, maybe $25 or $50 worth, maybe like every show, or just a different altcoin. Let me know what you guys think. This challenge for the people. Just a little bit of inspiration. Give me some feedback, and we'll go from there. Like the channel, subscribe, like the video, comment, subscribe. Wallets down below. Bitcoin addresses, so we can send you some Bitcoin if you actually win. I had between my like, comments, subscribers, and likes, comments, subscribers, I had over 200 people. So I only have 85 people registered as subscribers. So I messed up some kind of way. So I think we chose the one. We got one person and just gave him $100. Vanity Beauty Doctor was a subscriber to the channel, and then we're going from there. Next month it'll be somebody else. We're not gonna let the same person win each month, so we'll have a new winner every month. All right. Thanks a lot, and have a good day. Oh, if you need a car, give us a call, 866-255-7711 in Atlanta, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Jacksonville, Florida. Give us a call. We'll put you in an automobile. We finance everybody. All right? Thanks a lot.